The Toyota Sequoia, which debuted in North America in 2001, is widely regarded as the first full-size SUV ever introduced by a Japanese manufacturer in that continent. The Sequoia, which was based on the Toyota Tundra, had relatively short generational runs, just 2 across 2 decades, which caused it to be considerably out of date and lag behind its rivals. Toyota completely revamped the Sequoia for the 2023 model year, including all the latest technical advancements, to address this issue. The most recent model of the Toyota Sequoia, which was just released, has a starting MSRP of $59,865. Because to its body-one-frame construction, the most recent generation of the Sequoia stands out with a strong, streamlined look. It is outfitted with the 3.4-liter V6 engine and electric motor of the Tundra's standard iForce Max hybrid powertrain, which produces 437 horsepower in total. It features a spacious cabin space inside, combined with the newest technological features. Here are 10 things you should know about the 2023 Toyota Sequoia Hybrid, which will compete with vehicles like the Chevrolet Tahoe, Ford Expedition, Jeep Wagoneer, and Nissan Armada. Number 1. It has the iForce Max Twin-Turbo V6 Hybrid system. The iForce Max Twin-Turbo V6 Hybrid powertrain, which is the hybrid engine, is the top-tier feature of the 2023 Toyota Sequoia Hybrid. A 3.4-liter twin-turbo V6 engine and an electric motor are combined in it. This configuration's ability, when combined with the 10-speed automatic transmission, allows the powertrain to transfer a thrilling 437 horsepower and 583 pound-feet of torque. The long-lasting nickel-metal hydride battery gives the powertrain a high level of dependability. Without sacrificing performance, this hybrid engine gives the SUV a combined economy rating of 22 miles per gallon according to the EPA. The Sequoia is fuel efficient and has a dynamic performance thanks to this incorporated hybrid technology. Number 2. The Sequoia Hybrid has an astonishing exterior style. An innovative exterior with a commanding presence and a sleek shape can be found on the 3rd-generation Toyota Sequoia. The gigantic size, intricate technical characteristics, and current viewpoint of this item combine to make it more exclusive. An imposing height and ground clearance are visible in the front perspective, which features a manly style. The massive chrome-wrapped front grille, which is equipped with auto-leveling LED headlamps, the silver skid plate, and the functional air vents improve the front appearance. A sleek side appearance is created by the crisp edges and 22-inch alloy wheels. With normal LED backlights and an integrated rear spoiler, the rear section is very standard. The outside of the car has a number of modern innovations, such as touch sensor front door handles, power extending tow mirrors, and auto-leveling LED headlights with sequential turning signals. The Sequoia Hybrid exudes intelligence and significance from every perspective thanks to its contemporary styling and quality finishing touches. Number 3. It has Toyota Safety Sense 2.5 installed. The top safety feature offered in the Sequoia Hybrid is the most recent version Toyota Safety Sense 2.5 TSS 2.5 pre-collision system with pedestrian detection PCs with PD and full-speed range dynamic radar cruise control DRCC are 2 highly effective detection and control systems that come standard on the TSS 2.5. In non-reactive situations, the pre-collision system with pedestrian recognition PCs with PD provides obstacle recognition, followed by forward collision alert and automatic emergency braking. Furthermore, the full-speed range dynamic radar cruise control DRCC is made to allow for the control of vehicle-to-vehicle distance, particularly on highways. Driver assistance technologies such as lane departure alert with steering assist LDA with SA, lane tracing assist LTA, and road sign assist RSA are also included in the TSS 2.5. Likewise, based on the intensity of the lights of approaching cars, the automatic high beams AHB system automatically alternates between high and low beams. The Sequoia is a benchmark for security and safety in the SUV class thanks to its abundance of cutting-edge safety systems. Number 4. The Sequoia Hybrid has top-notch technology. The Sequoia Hybrid's roomy interior is filled with modern technology. The 14-inch Toyota Audio Multimedia touchscreen system, which is built into the dashboard and set with dual Bluetooth and Drive Connect services, improves the driver's ability to make hands-free phone calls and navigate with ease. A customizable 12.3-inch full-color multi-information display is also offered for a better driving experience. The HomeLink system's integrated digital rear-view mirror may be adjusted to provide a clear and comprehensive picture of the back. The SUV comes with accessible 120 volts, 400 watts AC power outlets in the cabin and rear cargo area, as well as the Qi wireless charging system for hassle-free charging on the road. Along with interactive features like wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto, it also provides an excellent entertainment setup with a 14-speaker JBL premium auto sound system with a subwoofer and amplifier. Remote Connect, Wi-Fi Connect, Safety Connect, Drive Connect, and Service Connect are additional helpful connectivity capabilities. Sequoia is more technologically advanced than ever thanks to all of these upgraded technologies. Number 5. The Sequoia Hybrid features a prestigious interior design. Because of its spacious interior and nice furnishings, driving the 2023 Toyota Sequoia Hybrid is a delightful experience. Passengers experience a bit of coolness and warmth all year long thanks to the standard heated and ventilated seats. A further touch of comfort is provided by the seat's semi-aniline leather trim and contrast stitching. A blue sky during the day and a moonlit skyline at night are visible via the panoramic moon roof, which creates a relaxing ambience. No matter what kind of vacation it is, the Sequoia always has additional space and a little bit of comfort. Number 6. The third-generation Sequoia Hybrid comes in several trim levels. The all-new redesigned Sequoia Hybrid has a variety of trims that provide a number of alternative configurations. The Sequoia has 5 distinct trim levels for the 2023 model year, including the SR5, Limited, Platinum, Capstone, and TRD Pro, each of which is offered in a variety of configurations for various uses. Depending on the pricing, buyers can choose between these 5 variants: 2-wheel drive or 4-wheel drive drivetrain systems. With a starting price of $59,795 for 2-wheel drive and $62,795 for 4-wheel drive, the SR5 model is the new Sequoia's entry-level trim level. The limited edition, priced at $69,195 for 4-wheel drive and $66,195 for 2-wheel drive, offers more technological enhancements. Starting at $72,395 for the 2-wheel drive version of the luxury Focus Platinum trim and $75,395 for the 4-wheel drive model. Only available with 4-wheel drive, the off-road Focus TRD Pro model starts at $78,395 and is the most expensive. The Sequoia's Capstone grade is the most opulent model, costing $76,795 for the 2-wheel drive and $79,795 for the 4-wheel drive. The third-generation Sequoia offers a ton of possibilities with a variety of trim variations suitable for many applications. Number 7. It continues to provide commanding off-road capabilities. The ultra-high-strength steel cabin of the Sequoia is fastened to the fully boxed high-strength steel ladder frame. The body and frame of the Sequoia are made of lightweight and high-strength materials. The vehicle has several technology-assisted features that are useful off-road, including a load-leveling rear height control air suspension, multi-terrain select and downhill assist control, crawl control, and an electronic locking rear differential. In addition to all of these features, the Sequoia also provides the TRD Pro, its top trim with exceptional off-road specifications. The mechanical upgrades included in the TRD Pro package are Fox internal bypass shocks tuned specifically for TRD-Us, an aluminum TRD front skid plate, a standard selectable locking rear differential, Toyota's multi-terrain select drive modes, crawl control, and hill descent control. The multi-terrain monitor, which shows a highly defined view of any hazy areas, is also available for outstanding visibility. The Sequoia is designed for off-road excursions thanks to the utilization of contemporary technological elements and the car's mechanical strength. Number 8. The Dynamic Drive Mode Select is standard on the 2023 Toyota Sequoia. The Sequoia has a function called Drive Mode Select that is one of its dynamic performance-based features. Various drive modes, including the often used Eco, Normal, and Sport driving modes, are available depending on the trim configuration of the vehicle. For both the 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive variants of all 5 distinct trim levels, these 3 popular drive modes are included as standard. Likewise, the Platinum and Capstone trims are the only ones that provide both the two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive versions of the highest spec drive mode, which includes Eco, Comfort, Normal, Sport S, Sport S Plus, and custom driving modes. The Sequoia Hybrid standard features include the Tow, Haul, and Tow Plus modes in addition to the normal 3 drive modes. By improving the car's performance and towing capacity, this towing mode gives it more adaptability. The third-generation Sequoia is ready for any adventure with its variety of sporty drive modes. Number 9. The third-row seat and cargo area are cramped. The Sequoia's subpar third-row seat and cramped cabin are among its most significant drawbacks. The third-row seats have limited cabin space in addition to having limited legroom, despite the fact that the front and second rows are significantly more roomy and pleasant. The cabin capacity is compromised when the third low leg space is adjusted, despite the third-row seat's sliding and power folding options. The third-row legroom, on the other hand, is condensed to make more interior storage space. Lack of legroom in the third row is a major flaw in a car that can seat up to 8 people and has the backdrop of a full-size SUV. Number 10. It is more expensive than its rivals. The 2023 Sequoia Hybrid has a higher sticker price as compared to its direct rivals in the North American full-size SUV segment. The primary competitors of the Sequoia are the 2023 Chevrolet Tahoe, 2023 Ford Expedition, and 2023 Nissan Armada, all of whose base trims are more affordable than the Sequoia's. The 2023 Chevrolet Tahoe LS costs $55,995. The 2023 Ford Expedition XL Cross costs $55,725, and the 2023 Nissan Armada S costs an even lower $50,700 for their base trims, which are all priced around $55,000 on average. The Sequoia's entry-level SR5 basic trim, which costs more and starts at $59,865, has the same features as the base trim versions of its competitors. In comparison to its rivals, the Sequoia Hybrid has a higher price tag despite having nearly identical standard features. Which do you prefer, the 2023 Toyota Sequoia or the 2024 Toyota 4Runner? Let us know your thoughts in the comment box below. If you've watched up to this point, thank you so much. For more videos about EVs, Toyota, Tesla, Ford, and the most recent auto news, please consider subscribing to Tech Addicts.